Hi, this is Dr. Johnson. Today we're talking about using assessment to address the needs of the student. I like to start off with what is test versus assessment. A test is just one point of measure, typically of the content, how well a student knows that content. An assessment is far more detailed. You're processing the data, you're determining it's in a systematic way of how that data is applied to the student or applied to the program. It could be far more in depth. It could be used to measure the knowledge, skills, attitudes, or beliefs of a program or of a student. This week we're talking a lot about individual assessment, particularly if looking to meet the needs of students in different ways. The first thing that kind of pops into mind, whether it's special education or maybe a gifted and talented program, those are meeting individual needs. But while you go through the week, also think of how you can meet the needs at a program basis, a greater basis. The concepts are very much the same. You're collecting the data. How do you interpret and analyze the data? So can be done at the team level. This could be done when you're looking at individual programs or school programs. How are their needs? And part of the collection process is looking at different data. And ones that come up a lot, obviously, it's just one piece of data, but whether it's attendance or discipline or test scores, those are pieces of data. So you're bringing those together. In different schools call them different things, but you're meeting and seeing if they're meeting these checkpoints or not. So in essence, as a school counselor, you're going to be part of a team to come together to see how needs are being met. Depending on the level, this could look slightly different, but what you're doing is kind of using it as a measuring stick to determine not only whether needs are met, but how you can improve, whether it's school, at the school level or student level. So when you're using assessment can be a wonderful thing to not only ensure maybe standards are being met or competencies are being met, but how you can bring out the best in students. So again, assessment is not just a test measuring content, but it's looking at the overall picture, bringing in different multiple data points. So I hope everyone has a great week looking at these resources. Please go into them because it can shed a lot of light on how you can not only help individual students, but also maybe at a grander level, at the school level, how you can really help from the school counseling side. So have a great week, and I look forward to seeing your discussions in the interview. So I hope that interview goes well and you get some great new insights as how you can best support from the school counseling role. Take care.